Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to use Google Lens and Google Photos app on iOS. So to use Google Lens, just tap on the photo you want to use it for, and in the very bottom you see this icon like search from left. Just tap on it and then you will see Google Lens in action. So it will analyze this photo. It will find the similar photos, more information about this location. So as you can see, it identified that this photo is Sharm el Sheikh Old City. You can find similar images, more content, more things to do around there, some shopping items and stuff like that. More and more information. What else you can find? So if it depends obviously on the photo. If you take a photo of apparel and home goods, you can find similar products and where buy them, barcodes. You can find also where to buy this business card. You can save the phone number to address a contact and everything like that. So for example, landmark or building, you can see historical facts, hours of operation and more. Painting in a museum, plant or animal. So it obviously depends on the photos. So that's actually pretty cool. But what I've noticed that you need to take like pretty specific photo, because if you just select some photo, some like pretty general photo, something like a beach or something, it just won't work here. So for example, if I select this photo, maybe it's not too specific, it may not find it. So as you can see, it just identified like palm trees, which is probably not what I'm looking for. And then it just shows other cliff top buildings, which is not related to this location at all. So if you want to find something more specific, your photo should be like either a specific building or specific product or barcode, something more related. And here you can also, if you click on that, you can edit the area you want to search in and something like that.